Hello guys, today we learn how to change the row colors in SQL Server Reporting Services SSRS. To implement this, we have required SQL Server 2012 SSDT tool installed for SSRS and Visual Studio 2015. Let us see the output of report in SSRS. You can see in my ground color like dark like brown and white. So alternate row will be colored. So this can be done through the expression through background color. Now let us see. You can change the color of row or individual cells based on the condition by using expression in the background color or color properties of the report item like text boxes or rows. Steps need to follow to do the background color. Open your SSRS report in SQL Server Data Tool and then select the row or cells. Select the row or the cells that you want to conditionally format. You can apply a color to entire row or individual cells within the row. Modify the background property. To change the background color of the row or cell, you need to modify the background color property and right click on row or cells you want to change and select properties and find the background color property and then apply the condition formatting. Click function button and next to background color property to open the expression editor and write the expression. You can an expression to set the background color based on your data. Here is an example how to set row color based on specific conditions. So here you can see if only if row number nothing more by 2, then this color brown color, otherwise white. So let us see with an example. Now here you can see I have report1.rdl, and when you see this report here you can see the output like each row have a value and like Maruti Dzire, Mahindra, Toyota and Honda Amaze, Skoda Kailak, Tata Curve and Tata Punch. So each row there is no color. So I want to color the background color of this row based upon the row number, means odd or even based upon this. So you need to go on design part and here select the full row from here. In full row go to property J4 or already you see here properties and here you can see background color. Fill background color, then no color. Here the option have expression. In expressions when you go for here you can see logical comparison and common function. Here you can see program follows. Program flow. So here is a if conditions. When double click, you know if only if has been defined here and you code here. So already I have written a code like this one. If only if row number nothing more divided by 2, then this color or otherwise font will be white. So after that you need to click. Also you can see the example here. If only fields yearly income data value greater than 6,000 high, then low. So here only we need to put the background color. So I have written this expression in here in program flow. Now click on OK button. So when you click here, you can see background color. This one will be applied here. Now when you check the preview of this report, so here you can see first row white background and second then brown colors and this white brown. So alternately this report have background color change. So this way you can change the background color of the reports. Also you can change only sales part, or also here also you can see we have applied a column on only these columns. So based upon the value only here you can see font color will be changed. This video will in previous video so you can see from there. So that's why we can change the background color of row in the SSRS report. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. If you want to more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.